My name is Vin. Good morning. Metu Dam, one of the largest monsoonary dam. Metu Dam, one of the largest monsoonary dam of the world. 5,300 feet tall and 214 feet height at the deepened ocean of the river. Yeah, these are articles. A is a input device. Keyboard is an input device. It is very important part of the computer. It is used to enter data to the system. Mouse. It is small movable device. That let us control a range of things.